it through. It's cracking a little. Alright, we're gonna put this where we don't have to worry about hitting it for us, so I can get a good video of it. Is that a catcher in it? I think it is. I'll just stay still. I can't see. I think it is. Are you recording? Okay. Holy shit! There's a clear hole through it now. Where there was. Oh, wow. What is that, dude? Holy shit. Okay, now here's what this point blank do. You'll be able to see it come out the other side. Oh, yep, that definitely went through. Holy shit. Went blank to the left. How about the top? Does that do anything? Oh god, I thought the plastic go through. No, it didn't go through. How does it look from here? Oh, there's some plastic in there. This is fun to shoot at. There's a clear hole. I wish I could. Alright, now I'm gonna do something I've been wanting to do. What happens if I hit right here? What circuits do I uncover? I probably should be wearing safety glasses for this. What? Did that do anything? It didn't. Or did you care? It didn't do anything. I really should be wearing safety glasses, so that's fine. I can do that. Alright, now what I'm more curious for this part. This part's gonna be full on the. Come right off. Shut it. Oh, he got it. There's two balls in there now. Holy shit. Thought I was full. Ah, no! That's fine. have it in like that, and what? What? What did that do? Oh, it went right here. Okay, I need to shoot it where that metal part is. Maybe we get to see some sparking. I'd make myself some bullet coffee right now. I really should be wearing something over my head. What if I shoot it right here, point blank? Ew. I guess it don't do anything. What's a dent, if anything? Huh. Okay. That can go in there. I guess I come off. This is fooling. I guess if you're using the steel plate at the bottom of a coffee maker, it's bulletproof from a BB gun. It just kept flying off. This is so much fun. This is so... Yeah. I make myself some BB coffee. That's what I'm doing. Make myself some BB coffee. Alright, try it at the bottom there. I'm gonna see if there's anything here. No bulging. It's still good. That's not good though. Can I fit my barrel in there? I can't. Alright. Take two. Fire in the hole. Still no bulging. Oh wait, maybe something there. For the most part, there's nothing. What? Yeah. How many times can I fire this thing before it just goes? Oh, now I can fit my gun in there. It's still no fucking bulging on that side. But now I can fit my gun in there, so then we're gonna see what that does. I felt it looks like it might be bulging the slightest. Oh yeah, it is bulging. No. Darn you. It's bulging a little. It's gonna go through. One more time and it'll go through. It was only like my third or fourth. I don't know. Alright, let's see if we can get through this time. Well, we're getting close. Hopefully one of these times. Come on. How tough is that fucking hot plate? God damn. Oh, so close. I can just see it. It's really bulging. We're getting there. We're really getting there. Okay, I think it's just time we smack it with a 2x4. That was what remains of it. Oh shit. Video's gonna be so fun. Only the top came off? Oh, I was hoping for better. It's still funny though. Holy shit. I'm probably about to get told what the fuck am I doing down here. Holy shit. One last whack. I can make that too. Holy shit. There's nothing no more. It's nothing. I never thought I'd get to do this to the old coffee maker. God damn. This is the coffee gun. Part coffee maker, part gun. When I fire it, fires coffee. This thing don't even work anymore. Oh, it's coming off. It's the coffee going. It's front heavy and it fires coffee. It has a coffee maker on the end of it. If you're wondering, yes, it still does fire. Dang, it's heavy. I think that's where the bullets are coming out of.